Come here, closer. We are looking at a secret map. Do you see this golden star? Are you ready for a magical adventure? Let's go. Our journey has a start line. The lazy rabbit family is here, at the bottom of the trail. Remember, every great adventure starts with one small step. 1, 2, 1, 2.
Ready, Papa, I'm going to start.
Step by step, the rabbits hike up the hill. Can you say it with me? Up, up, up. It's getting warmer. Look at Gray Bunny, he is so fast. But poor lazy rabbit is so tired. He is wiping the sweat from his forehead. It's so high. Don't give up, Lazy. You can do it.
Are we there yet? It's so high? Up.
Oh, a giant tree has fallen across our trail. A real obstacle. What can we do? We can't go around it. We must go over it. This is where we work as a team. We have to climb, 1, 2, and jump.
Here, Lazy, take my paw. Let's climb.
Wow, look at that view. The city is so tiny from here. The Griffith Observatory is shining. The rabbits are at the very top. They aren't tired anymore. They are happy. They are the kings of the mountain. But the sun is going down, and it's time to go back. Going down is the best part. It's fast and it's fun. Down, down, down to the valley.
Great job, champions. High five time for a treat.
We reached the finish line. What an amazing day! What an amazing treat! And what an amazing family! Did you like our hike? Subscribe to join our next adventure. See you soon!